So what I've got here is the Logitech k120, and I'm actually going to be disabling a lot of the hardware buttons for a kiosk for a client. And the simplest way is actually just to disassemble it and tape over the membrane buttons, so we can take it apart and put it back to normal. It's a pretty thin, light keyboard, but it should stand up just fine. So at the back we've just got some Phillips screws. So we'll start by taking them out. So now that we've got the screws out, we can take the front off, and then our membrane off. Then we've actually got two flexible circuits. Got our top one labeled there. There's just a spacer, and then the bottom one. So on the spacer, we're going to tape over our contact points, so that way this board, when you click down, won't be able to make contact. So for example, our escape key, we'll tape over that hole there, and then you won't be able to hit escape. Okay, so we've got all of our top row disabled. We've got our caps lock disabled, as well as our control, super key, and alt key, our alt key, super key, right click, and control. Disabled the home. I'm not really worried about the page up or page down or end. Same with the num lock, though it's pretty impossible to get without disabling the hold down there. And then we'll still have our enter and our enter. So we'll take our membrane and put it on. Make sure it lines up with all its corrective pins. Slide the top back on. So there we go, we've got our normal keyboard, Still clicks like it would have worked, but it'll act like it's software that's stopping it.